Hi, my name is Michael Brogdan. I'm here with Toyota Surprise, and today we're going to show you how we use the Toyota Sienna mobility van. I'm just going to demonstrate how that works real quick, and you're going to love this. So first off, I'm going to set my feet on the little platform here. And Toyota does provide two of these remotes so that the person assisting the one in this chair will help without having to be touching buttons. So this is going to put me into a nice position so that I do not hit my head on the opening. And here we go. So I am holding the button and it's pulling me out. It's going to be away from the vehicle. There we go. And here's the great part. This will lower me into a position and set up just right to where I can go all the way down if I need to, or if I need to, I can be up just a little bit higher so that way I can slide off into another chair or whatever the situation might be. To reload, we just do the exact opposite. We press and hold the other button here. It just does the exact reverse of what it did to get me out of the vehicle and pulls me back in. And of course, this passenger chair does have to have the back of the seat up in a little bit configuration. This is about as far back as we want to have it. However, it's perfect because it's not catching me up or anything. This pulls me up. We're going to go until it beeps. And that means I'm locked into place, and then I can put my seatbelt on and we can take off. Fantastic. So here at Toyota Surprise, we'd love to earn your business and help you get the mobility van that will work for you and your family. Thank you so much.